Are you looking for tips on how to increase sales in your Redbubble store? If so, here are a few strategies you can try. Optimize your product titles and descriptions. Make sure your product titles and descriptions accurately reflect the content and style of your artwork. This will help potential buyers find your products more easily when searching on Redbubble. Use tags and keywords. Use relevant tags and keywords to help your products appear in search results. This will make it easier for customers to discover your products. Promote your store. Share your Redbubble store and products on social media, blogs, and other websites to drive traffic to your store. You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Offer discounts and promotions. Consider offering discounts and promotions to encourage more sales. You could offer a percentage off, free shipping, or a bundle deal. Collaborate with other artists. Collaborating with other artists can help you reach a new audience and potentially drive more sales. You could consider partnering with other artists to create joint collections or cross-promote each other's stores. Engage with your customers. Building relationships with your customers can lead to more sales and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Respond to customer inquiries and reviews in a timely manner, and consider offering excellent customer service to encourage repeat business. By following these tips, you can increase sales on your Redbubble store and grow your business. Good luck!